Hi, this is Kevin Carnegie from Stump Grinder Company. This stump grinding job in Decatur, Georgia showcases a common residential landscape project that we provide help with 20 to 30 times each year. This customer had a wooded backyard that they wanted to open up and create a grass space for their children. For our part, we removed over 15 large stumps so the homeowner could grade, level, and prep the property for new sod.
Alright, today we're in Decatur doing some grinding. This customer is getting ready to do some sodding. Came in and did 15 pines and an oak. Most of the stumps were 50 to 60 inches. You can see how big the mulch piles are. They'll have someone come in with a bobcat, grade the yard, and then lay the sod down.
Whenever a customer's project involves planting grass or laying sod, we aim to grind each stump 8 to 10 inches below grade so a solid base of topsoil can be compacted. Our goal is to do every project to the needs and specification of the customer. We want your project to be a success. Contact us for help with your next landscape project that requires stump grinding. Thank you.